In a kadai, add 1 liter full fat milk. Now stir it continuously until the milk reduces to half a quantity. Now once the milk reduces and thickens, add sugar as per your taste. Now in a glass, squeeze 1 lemon's juice and add 1/4 of water. And now add this mixture little by little until the milk curdles. Now add a teaspoon of ghee and sprinkle some cardamom powder. Stir it continuously until the mixture separates from the pan. Now apply ghee to a bowl and transfer the Kalakand into it. Try this recipe once and make sure to share your comments below. Thank you for watching. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe.